Hello traders, welcome to Investoo.com's how-to series and this module on trending indicators. Today we're going to learn how to use envelopes. And envelopes are a simple moving average that has been deviated to the to the downside of price. And this creates a channel-like moving average that envelops price. Now, the logic behind envelopes is that it shows you a security's normal trading range. This means that when price hits the upper envelope or the lower bound envelope, it means that it had hit extremes. So by using this indicator, we will know the overall trend of the market, and we will know if we are at an extreme level in price that is no longer sustainable. Okay, so this is how the envelopes look like on a 1-hour chart, and these are the default settings on the envelopes. But what we want to do here is if we are using a 1-hour chart, we want to increase the deviation on these envelopes to 0.35%. Okay, now by using a 0.35%, you can see that that the envelopes actually start to adjust to the range of price movements. Okay, now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use this to trend spot, and if price is testing the lower boundary of the envelope, let's make it a 0.4%. Okay, if price is testing the lower boundary of the envelope, it means that we are in a down move. Okay, and you can see that it tests the lower boundary of the envelope, then it moves back up. It tests the lower boundary of the envelope, then it moves back up. Now, when this happens, it means that we are in an uptrend, and on the contrary, when price is going through and testing the upper boundary of the envelope, we are in an up move. Okay, and when the envelope is flat, it means that we are in a range, such as in this case right here. Okay, and this case right here. Okay, now those are two ranging markets, and because of the envelope, we know that or because of the flatness of the envelope, we know that we shouldn't be trading now. Okay, now how are you going to be trading with this indicator? Well, the first step is to know the or to spot the trend or the immediate trend, and in this case, because price is testing the lower boundary of the envelope, and because the envelopes are pointing down, we know that the immediate trend is down. This means that we are going to look for short opportunities on corrections. Remember that we are not looking to trade bottoms or tops. We are looking to get in on the trend. And what we're going to do here is when price corrects to the upside and it hits the upper boundary of the envelope, we are going to go short. And of course, the stops are going to be here above the previous high, and our entry is going to be right here. Okay, now this is easy, and it seems easy, okay, but you need to be very meticulous and very disciplined when you take these entries, because you need to avoid choppy markets. Okay, so you need to have at least one swing to the downside in order to look for short opportunities, and one swing to the upside in order to look for long opportunities. Now, when are you going to close your trade using envelopes? And that's easy, when price reaches the upper envelope again. And in this case, we had a very nice run for about 243 pips. Okay, now let's have a look at another example. Now price breaks to the upside, and you can see that the envelope is pointing up, and it starts pointing up. Okay, we have another entry right here when price tests the lower envelope, and of course your stops have to be below this low, and your entry is about at these levels. Okay, boom. So once you go long, well, you just wait for price to break with the lower boundary of the envelope, and this trade would have yielded a nice 90 pips. Okay, so So remember that the envelopes are a very good indicator and a very good way to trade short-term moves, but remember that they work better inside of a trading system. But you need a system that will filter out the mediocre setups. And if you want to learn how to create your own trading system or how to use any other indicators, just go to Investoo.com and go through our courses, or more specifically, go to Investoo.com/advanced technical analysis to go through our advanced technical analysis course.